impoverished explosive device was detected by security forces at the main gate of IPS school Kanchipur under Singdamai police station of Imphal West this morning. Bomb experts of Manipur police retrieved the bomb and defused at Kiamgai Lokol around 6:20 am as per police report. Investigations are on. Meanwhile, students and locals of Kanchipur staged a sit-in demonstration denouncing the IED threat against IPS school. Governor of Manipur P.B. Acharya today distributed computer certificates to students of Imphal West, Imphal East, Ukhrul and Chuchampur districts who took part in 3-day computer workshop for school students and teachers, which was organized by Upanagar Shishan Mandal Vidyanidhi, Mumbai. The workshop was sponsored by Saraswati Bank, Mumbai in collaboration with Education S Department, Manipur. The distribution ceremony was held at Raj Bhavan, Imphal. He also distributed water tanks to some NGOs based in Imphal and Hill districts, including Chuchampur. 4 more districts in Assam were flooded yesterday, taking the number of affected districts to 21 out of 33 districts in the state. 3 more people were killed, taking the total to 6 deaths. According to a report by Assam State Disaster Management Authority, over 8.69 lakh people in 1,556 villages of 68 revenue circles have been affected by the second wave of flooding in the state this year. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong confirmed that the Supreme Court has allowed the state government's plea to stop the rescue operations as it has been beyond the possibility of tracing the trapped miners. The operations were carried out since December 13, 2018 after around 15 coal miners were trapped inside the flooded coal mine. 16-year-old youth Olympic gold medalist from Mizoram Jeremy Lalrilnunga Ralte smashed 3 records in a power-packed performance. In an extraordinary performance, Jeremy, competing in the 67 kg category, broke the youth world, Asian and Commonwealth records in the snatch category with a lift of 136 kg. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant on Friday asked 4 ministers, 3 from the Ally Goa Forward Party and 1 independent, in his cabinet to put in their papers to make way for 4 new ministers. The 4 ministers, Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sardesai, Binoda Palinsar, Jayesh Salgaonkar of the GFP and Rohan Khonte, an independent MLA, have been asked to resign. The swearing-in ceremony for the new ministers is tentatively scheduled for 3 p.m. today. The head of Immigration and Customs Enforcement said efforts to deport families with orders to leave the country will continue after an upcoming national sweep that President Donald Trump said would start Sunday. Matthew Albans, the agency's acting director, said targets were on an accelerated docket of immigration court cases for predominantly Central Americans who recently arrived at the US border in unprecedented numbers. Similar operations occurred in 2016 under President Barack Obama and in 2017 under Donald Trump.